Good morning, my little champs. How are you today? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Bansri ma'am. Children, tell me, what did we learn yesterday in general awareness? Yes, we learned about winter season, right? Yesterday, we learned about the weather of winter season. We learned about the clothes which we wear in winter season. Then we learnt about the fruits and vegetables which we get in winter season, and we also learnt about the festivals of winter season. कल हमने विंटर सीजन के वेदर के बारे में सीखा था। फिर हमने सीखा था कि विंटर सीजन में हमें कैसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए। फिर हमने सीखा था कि विंटर सीजन में कौन कौन से फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स मिलते हैं और विंटर सीजन में कौन कौन से फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं। तो चलो आज हम वह सबको फिर से एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। चिल्ड्रन, winter season is the coldest season of the year. In winter season, we feel cold. Winter season starts from the month of November and it ends in the month of February. और विंटर सीज़न में क्या होता है पता है? विंटर सीज़न में कई जगहों पर स्नोफॉल होती है। उसकी वजह से ठंडी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है। इन विंटर सीज़न डेज आर शॉर्टर, यानी कि दिन छोटे होते हैं, एंड नाइट्स आर लॉन्गर, यानी रात होती है वो लंबी होती है। एंड चिल्ड्रन, इन विंटर सीज़न वी वेयर वुलन क्लोथ्स टू कीप आवर बॉडी वार्म. वी वेयर स्वेटर, जैकेट, socks, scarf, woolen cap, and we wear mittens. Children, in winter season, to keep our body warm, we enjoy hot beverages and hot food like hot coffee, hot tea, soup. Children, in winter season, we get variety of fruits and vegetables. In winter, we get fruits like apple, orange, guava, strawberry, pomegranate, grapes, papaya, and pineapple. And we get vegetables like cauliflower, spinach, green peas, carrot, beetroot, fenugreek leaves, radish, and broccoli. Children, in winter season, we should do exercise regularly to keep our body healthy and fit. Children, in winter season, to keep our body warm, we should take sun bath in the morning, and we can sit near the fireplace at night. Children, there are many festivals which we celebrate during winter, like Christmas, Diwali, Uttarayan, and Pongal. Children, now we are going to do one activity related to winter season. Today we are going to make a snowman. Okay? Children, to make a snowman, we need a white paper, black paper, red paper, and small piece of orange paper. We also need Fevicol, red marker, black marker, Fevistick, scissor, and buttons. First, we will draw snowman's body. For that, we will take two leads. One big lead and one small lead. We will keep it like this way And now we will draw this two circles. After drawing, we will cut this shape. Okay, but you will not cut it by yourself. You will take help of your mama. Now snowman's body is ready. Now we will take black paper and make snowman's hat. First we will draw it. Like this way you will draw snowman's hat. First we will make a rectangle shape, and above that we will make one square. First we will make one standing line, slipping line, and again standing line. This way you will draw snowman's head, then you will cut it with the help of your mama. Okay. See, our snowman's hat is ready. Now we will make snowman's scarf from red paper. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक लंबी स्ट्रिप काट लेंगे रेड पेपर में से, इस तरह से. ओके. Now from orange paper we will cut one small triangle to make snowman's nose. Now we will paste all these different shapes to make a snowman. First we will stick the snowman's head over here with the help of glue stick. Now we will stick snowman's scarf. इस तरह हम स्नोमैन के स्कार्फ को स्टिक करेंगे. ठीक है. Now we will draw snowman's eyes using black marker. Now with red marker we will make snowman's smile. Now we will stick snowman's nose. अब हम snowman का nose लगा देंगे इस तरह से. अब हम यहाँ पे फेविकॉल की हेल्प से दो बटन्स लगा देंगे इस तरह से. See, our snowman is ready. बच्चों, इसमें आप पीछे रिबन लगा के यह स्नोमैन को अपने घर में कहीं पे भी हैंग कर सकते हो. Children, yesterday I gave you one worksheet. So now I am giving you the solution of that worksheet. Children, yesterday I gave you this worksheet to color the winter hat and mittens. आपको यह वर्कशीट में आपकी चॉइस के कलर करने थे. I know you all are very smart and very good in coloring, and you have done it very nicely in your worksheet like this way. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay children, bye bye for today. See you soon. Take care.